How does SmartNet Total Care help keep our network secure?
As businesses of all sizes become increasingly interconnected, hackers see more opportunities to target smaller companies along with larger ones. Today's threats are more sophisticated than hackers and viruses of the past. A threat might lurk in your network for weeks or even months before being discovered. With Cisco Threat Awareness Service, network security catches up to the reality of today's threats. Accessed through the SmartNet Total Care portal, Cisco Threat Awareness Service gives you improved threat visibility, providing insight into malicious network activity, enhanced understanding of threats without configuration changes, added software, or capital expenses, and increased intelligence that your team can act upon to improve your network security. Based on Cisco's extensive network visibility and threat intelligence, Threat Awareness Service lets you see a daily snapshot of potential inbound and outbound network threats. Cisco Threat Awareness Service provides accurate and actionable information and mitigation recommendations, both for potential threats that are targeting your network and ones coming from inside your own company. Cisco Threat Awareness Service comes in 2 levels. A base offer is included with every SmartNet Total Care purchase, and a premium offer is available as an additional for fee upgrade. We'll discuss the differences as we look more closely at the service. To use Threat Awareness Service, open the Security section in the SmartNet Total Care library and select Threat Awareness Service. The Exposed Services tab provides insight into unnecessary open network services that are externally exposed and can therefore increase the attack surface of your network. The base offer highlights network services that are externally exposed but not necessarily vulnerable. With the premium service, vulnerable services are also visible. Vulnerable services can be directly exploited by attackers to gain access to your network or to cause disruption. The Malicious Activity tab provides insight into suspicious activity coming from your network to IP addresses with demonstrated malicious activity. It also provides visibility to behaviors that are indicative of installed malicious software. Malicious activity in a network is usually associated with compromised end nodes or servers. With the premium version, domain names and URLs that could host malicious content, like what is used in malware and phishing campaigns, are also visible. The DNS Observations tab provides insight into unexpected DNS names. Domain names that don't belong to you but point to your IP address range can be malicious. This service helps you identify them so that you can investigate whether they are legitimate and determine when you need to mitigate any that are not. With the premium service, this tab also shows DNS activity that is observed in relation to your network, including DNS resolvers. When networks function normally, only your authoritative DNS servers should be externally visible. Unauthoritative DNS resolvers can indicate suspicious activity, including compromised hosts or servers. Only available with the premium version, the Suspicious DNS Requests tab provides insight into DNS queries emanating from your network to well-known malicious sites.
What's involved in setting up the service?
In addition to being a subscriber to the SmartNet Total Care service, 2 things are required. First, the delegated administrator must grant the user access to the Threat Awareness Service. Second, any network resources where you want visibility must be entered into the Threat Awareness portal. At this point, the system requires authorization for a user to add network resources. Information about network resources is already available in Cisco's threat databases. This authorization is to confirm that the user has permission to view the data. Let's look at how these steps are done. When authorizing portal users to access the Threat Awareness Service functionality, a delegated administrator needs to assign them the role in the Cisco Services Access Management tool. This is similar to the way they assign roles to customer users and customer administrators within SmartNet Total Care. In this case, however, they need to select CTAS Application User as the role for each user they want to access the service, and they must provide start and end dates for this access. Once a user is granted access to the Threat Awareness Service, he or she can begin registering network resources. In this example, some resources have already been registered. If the service has not been set up for your company, none of your network resources will be displayed. In that case, a Get Started screen will help you begin registering your resources. In this case, we will add resources to the existing list. To begin, click the Settings icon in the Threat Awareness application to see a list of network resources that are already registered, along with their corresponding status. Here we can see the network resources that have already been registered. Notice the status column. A network resource with the status of pending will not be included in threat feeds. This status indicates the network resource is registered but not yet authorized. A network resource with this status of confirmed will be included in the threat feeds. This status indicates the network resource is authorized. To register a new network resource, including domains or IP addresses, click the appropriate Add button. In the Network Resource Wizard, select the resource type you wish to add, enter its details, optionally provide an alias, and click Next. Two authorization methods are available. Use the DNS authorization cookie method if you have control of the DNS zone for the domain or IP address where you want visibility. Use the email method if you are not the owner or administrator and would like to request permission from the appropriate person. Choose a recipient from the drop-down list and click Send Email. Click Finish. When you refresh the settings page, the new network resource entry will be displayed. The new network resource has been added with a status of pending. We hope this video helps you get started using the threat awareness functionality that's included within the SmartNet Total Care portal. While you now have base-level threat awareness functionality, remember that Cisco also offers an enhanced premium offer that's available through a minimal upgrade. Once you're comfortable using the base-level service, contact your authorized Cisco reseller to learn how you can further increase your network threat visibility. Thanks for watching.